Hello guys, welcome back again. So today I am going to tell you how to oil your hair very effectively. So guys, oiling our hair is a very important step in our entire hair care regime and it must be followed religiously. A night before you are going to wash your hair, we need to give our hair a hot oil massage. It is very relaxing. There are various types of oils which are available in the market like coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, castor oil, sesame oil, etc. There are many more to add on. And all these oils can be used on our hair. Now, the trick here, listen again, I am saying the trick here to follow is that to get best results out of all these oils, we need to use these oils turn by turn. For example, if it is our oiling day today, then use coconut oil. Then for the next oiling session, we would use olive oil. Then for the next, we would go for almond oil. So on and so on. The advantage of this method is that all these oils have different benefits for our hair. Using them turn by turn keeps our scalp healthy by feeding it with all the essential nutrients. Now guys, you'll say, where did our grannies use all these different oils and in pattern and stuff? So their time was different. They used to use Kache Ghani ka filtered oil which was so pure. In the entire process of refining oil, no nutrients were lost. Hence, it was correct for them to use just one single oil. But the oils which we use are way too much adulterated. And in the entire process of industrial refining, many useful nutrients are lost. So by following this round robin pattern of oils, we try to feed our scalp with all the necessary nutrients. Just a single thing to be noted here is that we need to change the quantity from season to season. In winters, we should use little more oil as it is super dry. For summers, use little less as your hair naturally also becomes oily and sticky. Whereas in monsoon, you can use moderate oil quantity. Nowadays, most of us face the problem of dry and itchy scalp. It is different than normal dandruff issues. These are usually bacterial or fungal infections. Bacterial infections are in the form of small pimples near the hair follicles, whereas fungal infections appear in patches, making the scalp super dry. So in these cases, you can treat that area with few drops of neem or tea tree or tulsi oil and the rest of the scalp with normal oils as stated above. The oils are easily available in any of the Ayurveda stores nearby. So guys, we'll move ahead with the procedure for the hot oil massage. So we need to take oil in vessel and heat it for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium or low flame till you get to hear the cracking sound. Now let the oil stand for some time so that we'll be able to touch it. By the time the oil settles down and comes to lowers its temperature, we need to take a cotton ball and dip it in water. Squeeze it thoroughly to remove all the excess water from the cotton ball. Now we need to dip this cotton ball in the heated oil and apply oil to our scalp. Gently massage using the cotton ball in circular motion. Cover your entire head by using the cotton ball and again dipping it in oil. Once you cover the entire head, you can just apply the remaining oil to the entire length of your hair and let the oil stay overnight. Wash off your hair the next day with your regular shampoo and conditioner. So guys, if you regularly follow this hair care routine, you will see amazing results. All your hair fall, hair breakage, dandruff, itchy scalp issues will minimize day by day and you will be able to flaunt your hair happily. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel for more such how-to videos.